This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, this is Sonic R Mastery team. We are on week number 21, 2019. It is on 21 of May. It's around 10:30 a.m. in Singapore time. Okay, as you can see from the screen, this week we have quite a lot of item coming up on the later date actually, right? We have a FOMC, and of course tonight we have a Powell, and tomorrow night on Thursday early in the morning we have FOMC as well. So I think these items are the ones that are going to make a lot of impact on the market. And last but not least, okay, we have, of course, we have other normal high impact news as well, right? But these two are the major things that you need to take note of. The first one is, of course, FOMC, and the second one will be the end of the week European election. So this is what you should be paying attention. Okay, so these are the reason why. Okay, these are the reason why the market is behaving the way that they are behaving right now. So at the moment, the market is, they are like totally listless. They are not really doing anything much. So that kind of like explain why they are doing so. Okay, so let's do some analysis right now, because since the market is at the moment in the immediate term, they are not really doing much. So it's a little bit harder for us to do analysis right now, because the real move will only come in the middle of the week, and also in the end of the week, right? Due to the FOMC and European election again. So anyway, let's do some analysis here. We have the first one is gold. We have a very very big swing up to 1,300. If you follow our Telegram, you can look for us, Sonic's Trader, SONIC Sonic Trader is in the Telegram. You can search for it, and you can follow our analysis. So-called, if we do the regular update over there as well. So as we updated last week, right? We have been telling that okay, it will go up, but 1,300 will be a very hard one to break up, right? So it did exactly what we expected, right? It really go up just nice, nearly somewhere around 1,300, and it really start to feel in the day-to-day basis. So they go all the way back down to 1,270, 1,273, around this region at the moment. In my opinion, they may even do the final kind of like swing down first. So it's like, in my opinion, they might even go to like 1,265, 1,267 level first, before, if there's any chance that they may go up higher. So what I'm trying to say is that even you are looking for a long position at the moment, try not to put any stop loss in between, let's say 1,265 to 1,276, where we are here, where we are at the moment. So your stop loss have to be quite reasonable enough, so that this kind of potential whipsaw you can withstand it. So I'm expecting it can go to 1,265 and 1,270 as a base, in my opinion, even they were to go up higher later, right? But at least this level is very possible. So I'm slightly bearish on the go, on the direction of 1,265 to 1,270 first. Okay, they should act as a flooring. Okay, so this on my goal. Okay, another one is US market, right? US Dow Jones stock market. Okay, as you can see, we have a decent swing back down. We have we have a quite a strong so-called double bottom per se. Then they go all the way up, and just to swing back all the way back down to retest this level. Okay, so at the moment they are a little bit more like more like in the rangy position at the moment. As you can see, they are not going up like up or down anymore. So in my opinion, it is a little bit leaning toward either neutral, or only a little bit on a slightly bearish note. So this is definitely looking for a next clue for the market to go up and go up, or shall it go down later, right? So it is becoming more like a 50-50 chance. So my suggestion to you is that, of course, you want to take side. Of course, you want to take position, you want to take side, but try not to put so much risk on a particular direction, because the odds of getting right on the either direction is only nearly 50-50 chance only. All right, so at the moment, as an immediate term, I am expecting this level, 26,000 level, as a decent resistance for a time being. As you can see, they have been resisting for the past two time in the past 2 weeks, right? So expectedly, this level shall be at as a good resistance level for a time being, 26,000 level. Yeah. All right, so I'm neutral, or I'm slightly bearish on that particular pair at the moment. Okay, more of the neutral tone. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about euro here. Okay, euro in the longer run is definitely is bearish, right? They have been like we are in the typical lower high, lower low, you know, this kind of like a very strong momentum, very strong so-called downtrend pattern at the moment, right? We can see high, right? We can see high here, here, here. We can see low here, here, and here, right? So at the moment, what they are trying to do is that they may try to create some like a lower low again, but they are kind of like stalling here as well. So this is pretty similar to go at the moment as well. You see, if you really want to go in long and stuff, like make sure your stop loss cannot be in between 1.113 and 1.115 level, because this is like it's almost like a given, right? It's not really advisable for you to do so. So if there's any push up, okay, if there any push up coming in, so what we can expect is that they can go to this 1.20, sorry, 1.12, 1.1220 level. I think should be achievable in my opinion. So let's see how it goes. And again, I think European election gonna be a very big so-called have a very big impact. So they might not be doing very significant so-called movement until by the end of next week. So we got to watch out on that. So let's see how it goes. And my immediate resistance will be this level I mentioned again, 1.12 and 1.1220 level. Okay, so this is my third one. All right, so let's see how it goes. Okay, immediate resistance is a bit on the higher side, so I'm telling on the point that they may make some sort of pullback first. Of course, longer run is stay bearish for sure. You know, I'm not challenging the longer run trend, right? Longer term trend, but you know, I'm expecting this level might be hit. This is what I'm trying to say. Okay, another one is another one in DEX. Okay, DEX, we have a very nice swing up, right? Higher high, higher low, all those stuff, right? So basically what they are doing right now is they are trying to retest the previous so-called the higher low region. So they are trying to break down from this so-called uptrend channel at the moment, right? So what I'm seeing at the moment is that we have a bit of like a resistance at the moment, one 12,000 level, another one is 12,300 level. Okay, so so let's see how it goes. I think they are trying, they are not really so-called obviously breaking this level yet, which is a 12090 level. So if they start to manage to break up higher from this, I repeat again, if they manage to break up higher than this, I think they're gonna go to 12,300 level again as a retest. So if you have a long position, this is where you may want to take profit here, 12,300 level. Okay, so let's see how it goes. And I'm expecting to a little bit retracement in the making, retracement. I'm expecting it to retrace up, provided they manage to stay above this 12090 level first. So you know, this is going to be a so-called like a bottleneck area that this is very significant here. So in order for us to be lean into the bullishness, I need it to break and stay above 12090 first. Okay, if let's say they didn't manage to break up, so what will the market will go to? Of course, the market will go back to retest this support level again, which is around 118.11855 level. All right, so this is what I have for today. Okay, as I mentioned, we are still in the early week, and unfortunately all the bigger news or all the so-called all the speeches and announcements that are going to, you know, have a very high impact on the markets only coming in on the later part of the week or by the end of the week. So at least please keep in mind on this event. Yeah, one thing is of course tonight Powell, FOMC, and of course by the end of the week is the European election. So thank you very much for watching. I see you guys next week again. Thank you.
Hi guys. All right, so over for my end, for the two cross pair, I'll be talking about the Euro pairs. So the first one will be Euro to GBP, Euro pound, which I will be waiting at the resistance level over at the 0.88 zone. All right, so this black color zone over here is where I'll be waiting for price to show some rejection before looking to short it. All right, so this is my plan. All right, where I will be placing my stop loss and take profit level. Okay, so price is still a distance away. It's about maybe 30, 40, 50, 40 pips away from my levels that I'm looking to short. So it could likely to take place maybe end of this week. Whatever it is, I will only be waiting for this pair to reach this level before looking to short it. All right, up next is the Euro to Japanese yen, which is at a very decent support level. So looking at it, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 days of rejections at the support level, which shows signs that price is unlikely to go down further. despite being in a bearish structure, bearish trend, bearish structure, we are likely to be due for a retracement play for the JPY pair, all right, the Euro JPY pair. All right, seems to me that JPY is weakening, so we are likely to see this pair go up higher. All right, the next resistance level would be the previous support level over at the 124.3 level there about. So that is where I'll be looking to exit my position. All right, so this is all we have for week 21 analysis. Follow us on our Telegram and we'll update as per usual. All right, thank you and see you guys next week again.